Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the network match. Put your phone and TV on the same Wi-Fi band so discovery works. Open the official or universal remote app and accept network and location permissions. This allows device discovery and secure pairing. On the TV, enable network control features like HDMI CEC or the TV's mobile app pairing mode so the phone can send commands. Once done, scan for devices in the app and select your TV. This initiates the pairing handshake that you'll complete next. You'll now finish the pairing and configure controls. When the TV shows a PIN, type it into the phone app to verify ownership and create a secure link. Next, map core functions, volume, input switching, navigation buttons, and test each one to ensure the TV responds. This prevents surprises during use. If available, set macros for common tasks like switching to HDMI 1 then launching apps. If connection is flaky, switch protocol. Use Bluetooth, Wi-Fi Direct, or the phone's IR blaster depending on hardware. You're ready to control your TV from the phone. Use the touchpad for navigation, voice for quick commands, and gestures if the app supports them. Save favorite channels and create one-tap shortcuts to jump directly to apps or inputs. This speeds routine use. To automate, link macros to schedules or smart home routines so the TV powers on and switches inputs automatically. If controls fail, restart phone and TV, repair in the app. Check router firewall or AP isolation, and update firmware and app. That usually fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.